Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuning into Click Reacted. Today, we're gonna be looking at Drake's song Jumbotron Shit Poppin'. This is actually my favorite song off that album, the recent album that he dropped. So we're just gonna be looking at the official music video today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about the visuals on this song. Because I know the song is fire, so you ain't gotta tell me that, but I'll catch you guys later. We're just gonna get right into it. This is 72 hours for us, okay?
Wake up, filthy.
Wait, did I just see a gold PSP? Everybody knows. If anybody knows any, yep, that's that gold PSP right there. They know if you were anybody in high school, you know, back in those days, you had to have a PSP.
Yeah. We ain't even out in Turks.
I know who made this beat, but this shit is crazy.
Gonna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Both with two sip, died, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell this bitch to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on shit unless it's unleaded.
Unleaded shit, man.
Over on that, so just gon' did it. See me when you see me, if it's smoke, doggy unleash. Dip rockin' bitch, it's my fave, I'ma gon' beat it. Looking in the mirror, kiss my face, I'm too conceited. Send a girl home, call another dog, I'm too slime. She ain't wanna eat it on the
Wait,
first
that's
day
Central
it's
C?
around. I don't fuck
I
with
don't
drugs,
know what it looks like.
for the first time. That shit kicked in like a two-time world champ. Booted up, that shit held up and downs like a skate ramp. She vaped in my room, that shit lit up like a glow lamp. Who won't smoke?
Baddies in the video, of course.
Big shit popper, we don't
Man, yo, you know how crazy you have to be, who you have to be to film a music video in the Rolex?
want to get your shirt down. Niggas try to take a nigga spot and that's too cramped. Up 8 a.m., geeking hard, I'm a real vamp. These niggas got me fucked up, dog, I'm too amp.
Yeah, it is Central C, I
Make this
think.
bitch lit me like a mail stamp.
The
Strapped up,
Ferrari.
fuck it, I'ma die lit. Two slime posted at the crib in a snake pit. Every time I tell ya,
Man has all the stars in the video, bro. Like, anytime Drake pops up, he has everybody around him. This shit is crazy.
Okay, everybody.
Especially when this beat slows down. I think that's why I like it. I actually use this as a workout song. It's crazy. Like, it's hype and then it slows down and you're like, you know, I just think the beat is
Got a
fire.
stick, we don't run fade. We ain't even out in Turks, you finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to
Yo,
hold hands.
them
Over
chains
two
are
sip, died, he
crazy.
ain't
Is
need a
that like an
bed.
astronaut or
Then I
something?
get the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell this bitch to pull a
Yeah, them shits are Wait, the PSP is not a pendant.
gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on shit unless it's
Unleaded.
unleaded. I don't back and forth over on that, so just gon' did it. See me when you see me, if it's smoke, doggy, unleash it.
Yeah, wait, is that a real face tat? Is Drake certified like that? Yeah, this song is short but sweet, but the beat is what makes I just have it on replay because the beat is just sick. Like, obviously the video it's just a little vibe. It's nothing crazy, you know. I don't get, it's like a 1960s fit vibe. Yeah, that Ferrari is clean. I miss this Drake, the one that would like snap on a song. Like, I don't know if you guys remember Tuscan Leather, or what's the other one that what's his name helped him write? Ain't No Telling. Like, when the beats dropped on those songs, like, it was crazy. It was actually crazy. But here they just let the beat play out. Yeah, this beat is a real vibe. Produced by shit. Like, as I said, man, I know the song was fire, so I was just watching to see what visuals would back up or go with the song. I think it's still sick. Obviously, I don't think the visuals are as sick as the song, but let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, man.